All right. Hello, hello. Can you hear me? Am I am I speaking loud enough? I'm not sure anyone's here yet. And also I just realized I forgot to post a link elsewhere. Uh, uh, Damn, it has been some time since I streamed, dude. I swear there was a place to put media somewhere in here. Oh well. I'm not really worried about getting a bunch of people in here, to be honest. Yeah, actually, did they remove it? Oh, published videos. Perhaps that? Publish videos. Can I post streams here? This is, hold on. I think so. I'm just gonna post it. Outlander development stream. Paste. And just like that, we're off to the races. Okay. Let's see here. Change it over. And let's reduce the noise on that, No, I need the mixer. Thank you. Turn the noise down, the music down just a little bit. Oh, cool. It doesn't have a dedicated thing. Okay, so we're just gonna reduce chromium. Yeah, that's good. We want it in like the background, right? I hope I'm not too loud. In fact, I'm gonna turn myself down a little bit. There we go. That should be good. I'm not hitting the red anymore. Okay, so here we are. We are working on Morrowind again. And I'm very excited. I've been working on some custom mods for Morrowind, for Outlander, I should say, because I have kind of run out of gameplay additions that I want to add from existing mods. And that's kind of what I've been focusing on, is just focusing on the gameplay. Of course, we have some new content in here, right? Rango Bango, what's going on? I recognize that name. I believe you have been in my stream before. So we are looking to change the gameplay a little bit. I've made some custom edits to mods. Here, we could take a look at what I've done actually. So I have it set up so that I can open up VS Code through Mod Organizer 2, and then I have a workspace set up for the MWSE Murph. I've never heard of that guy. Who the fuck are you? I have a workspace set up for the MWSE folder. As you can see, it's in the stock game folder. And with the VFS running in Mod Organizer, I have access to all of the MWSE files right here. This is a patch for Realistic Repair and Ashfall that adds some new crafting recipes. Right now, the only one I have is the Stone Anvil. I have plans for Stone Forge, Stone Prongs, and, hold on, Stone Grindstone, I think would be cool. But I haven't really looked into making those yet because the Stone Forge I couldn't find a model for, and I'm not great at modeling. I'm probably gonna have to kit bash some stones together. I can't believe I just got flipped off by a whale. That's embarrassing. So I've been working on this for the past couple of nights. This was just last night. I made this. Alisanti, welcome to the chat. What I've been working more on, and what I'm really excited about, is this Outlander perks. So this uses the carbonated perk system, or just MWC perk framework. And this is going to add a bunch of perks to the game in the style of Oblivion, where whenever you reach level 25, 50, 75, or 100, oh, Solus, welcome on in. Okay, I'm glad you came in because you were the one who said you wanted me to stream, so here I am. But yeah, so like Oblivion, perks at 25, 50, 75, and 100. And I have all of the perks here. Now, a lot of the perks, which I'm pleased with this, a lot of the perks came from other mods. So like Next Generation Combat already has the system set up, where you get new mechanics when you get to skill levels. So for example, blunt weapon, when you reach apprentice, you have a 5% chance to stun your target for a second. And then at Journeyman you have a 10%, and you also do more damage depending on your armor, on your target's armor rating, stuff like that. I have only manually made a couple of perk systems. For block, I did block already. I was starting from the top and going down. Block was very hard. I had to make a custom edit to shields up. If I can find shields up real quick. It's not a big edit. It's not like I revamped the entire thing. But here's shields up. So all I did was add this. This function right here can active block. Before the script was checking for this action data animation attack state equals 2. And that was being put right here, and right here. But, you know, I also needed it to check to see if the block skill... I'm not a VTuber, I'm a PNG tuber. Get it right. Wait, hold on. Let me see, is it working? Here's a little peek behind the curtain for a second. I have an angry... Oh, it's not working. Hold on. You guys aren't ready for this. You guys really aren't ready for this. I need to set up hotkeys for this, but... Now I'm angry. I'm not a PNG tuber. Oh wait, I'm still blinking happy. Remove that. Okay. I am not a VTuber. I'm a PNG tuber. How dare you, Mr. Murphington? And now I can switch back to happy. I'll need to set up some hotkeys to change that, so when I get upset I can turn my smile upside down. That's literally all it is. And if you look real close when I blink, it's just I just went into GIMP and I blurred out my eyes. The effect is quite convincing, I will say. In my opinion, anyway. So we've made that custom edit to shields up. And this is where we actually define the custom parts of the perks. So we have a shield bash, where if you jump while active blocking, you can stagger your, and you collide with your opponent. You can stagger them. And then we have counterattack. I haven't tested any of this yet. This is all theoretical code right now. So a counterattack, if you successfully block and then you try to attack during the block animation, it'll cancel the block animation and attack your enemy. And then this one, this is the master level perk. If you successfully block with your shield, whoever attacked you is instantly staggered. So it's very OP. But that's kind of the point. But we're not going to be working with the perks right now. As you can see, I have a lot to do on the perks, and I was working on it for quite some time. Like, this at one point was a 1,000 line script. Right here, I've actually, because I used to have all these table inserts one by one, and that was a bad idea, so I put it in a for loop. This is much better. It's no longer thousands of lines to add each perk into its respective category. So we're not going to be fucking around with the perks today. We're just going to be fucking around with Scattaboo. We're just going to be fucking around with the Ashfall bushcrafting for realistic repair today. I just need to make sure this works. Did I do the metadata? Hold up. Where's the metadata? What I made metadata for a mod. I don't remember what mod though. Oh god. And no. Perhaps it was. Hold on. So here's all the mods we have. Where's Outlander? Outlander perks. No, it's not for this file. I swear I made a metadata file. What happened to it? Brother. Oh wait, is it an overwrite? Did I put it in overwrite? No. Aha, here it is. So we're gonna cut that. Alright, there we go. Okay. That's more like it. That is more like it. So let's double check something. Does this stay here? It does. Good. Okay. And then let's delete that folder. But there is one edit I do know I need to make. For this mod to work, I needed to make an ESP. This ESP right here. So we need to open it up in the construction set. And I will be including all of these new dev tools in the next update. In fact, the next update is probably primarily going to be a dev tool update as opposed to all of the new mods and everything. So if we open up our boy here, it should be at the bottom. Yep. Set as active file. Okay. Okay, so here's this. We actually want to get rid of this because for realistic repair, it cannot be an activator. It needs to be a static. So let's go ahead and delete this. CR stone anvil. Okay, and then we're gonna make a new one here. So CR stone anvil, and CR of course stands for code ring. And then in here we're gonna look for code ring, and here's my custom stone anvil. What? Don't fuck with me. Okay, let's save it. Undelete? No. Remove. Okay, let's try reloading it. Maybe that'll work. Who knows? I'm not great with the CS. That's why I primarily use MWC. Lots of respect to those who do use this. Oh, it crashed. And see, that's part of the reason why I don't use it. It can be very frustrating to work in, for me at least, and that could be because I'm ignorant. But either way, let's reopen this. This guy, set as active file. How does one be a zoomer and also learn to mod an ancient game? So, you know, lots of, what's the word? Lots of older people, older than Gen Z, have claimed Morrowind for themselves. But I was a kid when Morrowind came out. I mean, I was only like 4 years old, but I got Morrowind when I was 6 for the original Xbox, and I loved it. It was my favorite game for the original Xbox, even though I had no fucking idea what I was doing. I didn't know how to save, so I would just, you know, run around until I died, usually by Blood Moon Assassins. I would run around till I died. I would hike up mountains and camp, quote, up there. And that was kind of my Morrowind experience. Because, you know, the combat kind of requires you to be able to not only read, which I'm pretty sure I could read a little bit back then, but you don't just need to read, you need to be able to read like, oh, I have a 30 in short blade, but only a 5 in long blade, so I should use the dagger instead of the awesome longsword I found. But I'm 6 years old, so I'm not using that kind of logic. I'm using, I found cool sword, let's smack a rat with it logic. And I did, I think, once make it to Balmora, but never really made it past that. So that's kind of where Outlander and Yajan as a concept came out, where it's really more of a Morrowind life sim, because that's what I was doing at 6 years old. I was using Morrowind as a tool for play pretend, and now, you know, at 27, Morrowind is more of a I have expanded upon that idea. Sorry, I missed some of the chat while I was talking about all that. Nice PNG, thank you very much. Thank you very much. I am quite pleased with my talking guy. Let's see. First game was Oblivion, you know? Oblivion was the last Elder Scrolls game I played. Other than, like, I did play Daggerfall and Arena because I had a DOS computer when I was like 7 or 8. Probably older than that. But, so I did have them. But Oblivion, ironically, after playing it, I find it to be the, like, jack of all trades Elder Scrolls. Like, it does everything pretty decently. The game mechanics are good. I'm getting distracted. I actually stood up to talk because I have ADHD. It's fine though. Who cares? Distracted a little bit? No problem. Okay, the activator is gone. So now we can create the static. I have Daggerfall Unity with a fuck ton of mods, and it is amazing. I was actually planning on going through the entire Daggerfall storyline, but dude, this is where me being a zoomer comes in. I do not have the patience for that storyline. It's got all sorts of branching paths that sometimes lead back to one another, and like, you don't just go from quest giver to quest giver. You also like need to wait for someone to contact you sometimes. And also sometimes the game is not clear at all on what the fuck you're supposed to be doing. And so, you know, I really wanted to play through the main quest because I finally beat Arena legitimately. I've done speedruns of Arena where I glitched to the end, but I've never beat it legitimately until last year. I finally did. And I will say, Arena is quite a bit of fun. It's nowhere near, you know, like Daggerfall or something like that, but it's still fun. It's a nice little simple dungeon crawler, and it still has some of those Elder Scrolls things that we know and love so much, like overpowered magic and shit like that. Oh shit, was it Anvil Stone or Stone Anvil? Stone Anvil. Stone Anvil. Oh, I would definitely do a Daggerfall stream. You know, I stopped streaming a lot because a lot of the reason I stopped streaming is because I was really burnt out with Morrowind and modding, and I was going through some shit in real life, and I felt like if I streamed, I had to be streaming Morrowind, and I had to be showing progress on Outlander, and it took me a while to realize that that is a really counterproductive viewpoint to have. And not only was it, you know, making me unhappy, but it was also hurting Outlander. So I took a long break. I'm back. You know, I probably still will have periods of time where I'm like, I'm not working on Morrowind, but I'm not going to worry about it nearly as much. I'm going to do some other stuff. Yeah, you know, Animal Crossing, that's another point. That's a whole nother thing right there. Okay, so we have the static stone anvil. Let's go ahead and save. And exit. I really appreciate that, though, that you enjoy other streams, you guys, because you know, sometimes I'd be playing something else and somebody would come in and ask about Outlander, or actually I think the last time I remember it, what's going on here? Why is there I don't know. Okay, so we have bushcrafting. Oh, it saved it directly into my it saved it directly into my overwrite. Wait, no, it didn't. It saved it directly into data files? Yes, it did. Okay, let me just move that back into the mod. Perfect. Okay. So, I'm all over the place right now. Let's disable the Outlander perks. Whoa. It's fine. Refresh. There you go. Beepo. Okay. These are added by Joy of Painting. If you guys want to see it. Well, these are icons. Let's go to the textures. So, whenever you use Joy of Painting to draw something, it actually saves it into your overwrite. Like, here is a painting. Can I open you, please? Here's a painting one of my characters did. It's really cool that you can do this. My character has low painting skill, so it's a little blurry and stuff, but you can see where it's going, you know? And that's really cool. This is Window to Aetherius' sky. It's pretty sick. I also made a charcoal drawing of, let's see, god damn it, why doesn't double click open? Here's my Guarnell, in charcoal. I love stuff like that. And I'm really glad that we get to add Joy of Painting now, because it no longer requires image magic to be installed, which is huge. Because there's no way I can automate a image magic install for y'all. Okay, so asphalt bushcrafting for realistic repair. Let's real quick run. Oh, here, you guys want to see? So how does that work? Can you make a painting of a screenshot? It's kind of. You'd have to ask Murlord. He's the author of the mod, of course, because, you know, it's a strange, game-breaking, yet very fun... Not game-breaking. What's the word? Revolutionary. I've never seen anything like this in a mod before. I know that there are games that do stuff like this, but... I think how it works is it gets your viewpoint and then adds like shaders and stuff on top to make it look like a drawing. It's pretty sick. Okay, meshes, code ring. Here we go. This is what I'm looking for. So this is the stone anvil. It's just the Tamriel rebuilt anvil that I've retextured to look like stone. I didn't do a whole lot of work for this. It's mostly the Tamriel rebuilt team that modeled an anvil. I don't really have any interest in learning how to model, so this is the most I've done for it is a retexture. And the retexture does not look that good, if I'm being real, but it's fine. It's good enough. Okay, so first off, let's run mlocks. If you don't know, mlocks will repair your load order according to a GitHub repo that Danae, another modder, maintains, of rules for the Morrowind load order with in regards to mods and everything. So you can see it's moved stuff, which is very good. And I like the fact that it's put this right after realistic repairs add-on. So this is a brand new mod, so I don't know how that ended up happening. So let's update the load order, and then we can close that. The next step is we open up a PowerShell console. Okay, here we are. And we're gonna use test3 CMD to create a multi-patch. And this is going to merge our leveled lists, look for like fog bugged cells, I think. It does a bunch of stuff. It might take a second though. So in the meantime, Kenshi, what a great conversation starter. Oh, and it's done. I've never played Kenshi, but I have seen and heard of it. It looks very interesting, and I'd like to try it, but I haven't gotten a chance yet. Okay, so we got the multi-patch. That stays right down there at the bottom. I believe it should stay down there at the bottom. Okay, so now we can launch Morrowind. And keep in mind, I've made some edits to mods. So there might be a crash. We might run into some issues. Fingers crossed. We're gonna... I can't pause the music. Oh wait. Whatever. We have music. Alrighty. Okay, so we know about these errors. Let's see, is there anything new? We know about all these. God, I hate that fucking noise. Okay, that's it. Cool. Will this new version... Oh, Kai, how's it going, man? Have a Beckian? I don't know how to pronounce that, but Abetian Shores? I think that is the best pronunciation in my opinion. No, it will not. There's not going to be any new content in the next update. The next update is going to be focused on improving the dev environment. Improving the dev environment. So I've already done some things, like you can open up Visual Studio Code with MO2 now. If you want to use these dev tools in for your own copy of Outlander, you'll probably need to make some changes in the executable and everything. But I've also added the construction set, a few scripts, and some mods that function exclusively for devs. So if you want to edit your Outlander install, you can, to be however you want it to be. So I'm gonna load into the character I'm currently playing. Yeah, that's fine. Kai, yeah, your Yajan videos were very good. I did watch them, to be clear. I think I left comments on a couple as well. Not on my Ring account, maybe, but... I should be in my Ashfall camp right now. I'd love to show that to you guys. Oh, god damn it, not this problem again. Why is this happening again? Okay, whatever, it didn't change anything. So this is my, you know what? That happened the last time I ran the multi-patch too, and then it went away for no reason. No clue what's going on. Anyway, so this is my Ashfall camp. I got some crops going here. I got a tent. I got my Guarnell, which is a Guarized Darnell. Here's my alchemy setup. All that. Okay, let's see if the anvil is in the crafting. Stone anvil. It's not here. Okay. That's not good. Hold on. Yeah, I am a nerd. What are you gonna do about it, huh? Hi. Let's see here. Let's see here. Skeet-a-bup-bup. Oh, you know what? Let's see if there's anything in the log. Probably a good idea. And let's check for realistic repair. Find next. Yep. Okay. Error Attempt to index local menu activator a nil value. And that's on realistic repair, main low 142. What the fuck? Oh, I'm so confused. Okay. Head back over here, mods. Did I put that under ring? Oh wait, it's gonna be its own thing. This is the MO2 mods. Ashfall, bushcrafting, MWC mods, ring. All right. And then let's open this with code. It won't have everything, so there will be errors, but why is that even firing? Okay, 162. Huh? Am I crazy? 142. Aha! It did not work. Okay, let's double check. Do we have grass in this one? No. Not right now. Not because I purposely left out grass, but because for some reason the grass isn't working, and I haven't been fucked to figure out why. Honestly, it's been kind of nice because I've been playing a survival character, and I can see all of the stones and branches and flint scattered about in the wilderness, which is quite nice. But I would like to add grass because the grass looks nice. And I mean, realistically, you would be picking through the grass to find these pieces of flint and branches and shit like that. So, okay. So let's open up Ashfall now. Why do I keep making the same mistake? Here we go. Okay, Ashfall. And activate workbench is a event fired in the... shit. I think it's under bushcrafting and config. So let's activate workbench. There it is. Okay. Let's see here. We're looking for workbench recipes. Where else are you used, sir? Okay. Let's see. What's the best way to go about doing this? I think it might be an error on my part. I think the menu activator might just be E. What happens if we do this? Wes Johnson, yeah. Didn't he have like a medical thing happen and he opened up a GoFundMe? I heard about it in the Morrowind Discord. Alright, we've done that. Let's relaunch Morrowind and see what happens. Morrowind crashed. That's fine. Alt tabbing in a Bethesda game, you're asking for a crash. Holy shit. Yeah. I hope he's doing well. I heard his GoFundMe met its goal like really quickly. So, you know, high hopes to him. Hope he's doing all right. I'm sure he'll pull through. He was the voice of the orcs, if I remember correctly, and a couple of other races. But regardless, a legend. All right, let's load up our boy here. And in fact, let's make a new save so we don't get that pop-up every time. What's all this then? Welcome in, Strange Loop. We are developing Morrowind. Okay, so let's save. Westgash region test. Okay. You violated the law. What did I do? What did I do? Okay, now let's see. Workbench, craft. Still nothing. Okay. Skeet bop up. Well, let's shoot up to the top. We've got some errors. We'll look through these. We'll look through these and see what's going on. But right now, I might need to lower the log level on some of these mods that aren't giving me errors. Like, what the fuck is going on with Abbott Smart Chasers, huh? Okay, this appears to be the only error right at the end here. So this is right. That's good. That means the rest of my stuff is working. I haven't played the recent release yet. Where does it rank among all Outlander gen updates? Well, it's essentially the same as as version 2 of Outlander, but I changed the shaders a little bit. Here, we can take a look at the shaders here. It's I added a CRT shader, so if you notice things are a little grainy or a little blurry, that's why. We can take the shader off real quick though. MGEXE, there it is, and we're gonna star you. Whoop. So we can just turn this off, and this Fignet keeps turning on, and I don't know why. And we can close. So this is the new shader chain without the CRT. I think it looks pretty fucking good, if I do say so myself. I added dynamic FPS optimization, which is a mod that changes your view distance dynamically to keep frame rates up. You can see the frame rate in the top left corner. And if we watch, like come this way, even though we can see the distant land around us, it's foggy right now, so I mean it's not crazy, but we can still see the distant land around us further than we could in vanilla, even with the minimum frame rate. But as you can see, objects disappear as I get further away. And then, as I get closer, they pop back in. And that is dynamic FPS at work. Oh, do I have a cold? I have the flu. That's not good. What else? Hey! Get the... Oh, wait. Get the fuck out of here. Alright. What was I testing? I was testing the workbench for the iron anvil. So that didn't work. The method I am using to what is all of this? What fucking mod is adding this? Hold on. Whatever mod this is, we're removing the line that does this because this is fucking awful. Hold on, let's go into code. We're gonna have to anyway. Oh shit, did I already have code launched? I did. It's good about, okay. Here we go. File. Open recent MWC workspace. Okay. Cool. Okay, so right here is where we're having issues. Register recipes is not a valid thing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mwc.log e. We'll see what that is. And then let's figure out what fucking mod is causing this message to show up again and again and again. Magicka regen. Okay, we do not need this. Get out of here. Another custom edit to Magicka regen. We really do not want that. And let's make sure there's no other prints in here. Okay, I see he had that in for... Just comment it out. There we go. Thank you, Solus. I am a big fan of the CRT shader. I lowered the intensity a little bit, but other than that, it's pretty much you know, a CRT. No, I'll show you some of the settings in it and why I changed them later, perhaps. But right now, I would like to fix this. Okay, so we are now logging what the return value of E here is, because who knows what's going on here other than Merlord, and maybe somebody else who's done this before. And, you know, I'll be honest, I usually don't do this much testing. When I make a mod, I usually write the entirety of the mod first, and then test it, and see where I went wrong. Is that a good thing to do? Maybe not. But I really hate going through all these goddamn loading screens every time I need to test a single line of code. It's not a huge deal, but it's enough to stop me from getting out of the flow of writing something. And you end up in situations like this where I made an assumption that was wrong, or I found some information that did not connect to what I'm working on in the way I thought it did. But that's okay. All we're doing is we are outsourcing our testing to the future. Alright. No more messages. That's good. And we see if you were here earlier, if you remember that error about the Silt Strider and the claw and the animation being missing, it's gone now. It's just gone. I don't know why. I don't know what caused it. The CRT shader's back because I didn't save my config from last time. Okay. So now let's activate the workbench and figure out what that gives us. Yes. Oh, and no more constant fucking time things. Okay. Okay, it's showing that table. It's a table. Okay, we know it's a table. And that's all we know. Let's open console. No, not console. What am I thinking? Code. Hold on. Just a second here. I keep doing that, and it pisses my girlfriend off. But it's so funny. All right, see ya, Kai. Hope to catch you later. I appreciate the kind words. Let's instead do this. Let's instead do a for loop for index value in E do MWSE dot log index value. Okay, and then we'll do MWC.log workbench activated. Okay. So we got that going. That's locked. So this should MWC.log workbench activated, and then it'll show us the index and the value of this table, and hopefully that'll give us some more information. We'll probably need to do this again over another table, or maybe, you know, it'll be named exactly how we expect it to be. Ugh. You know what's really freaky is sometimes I'll look over at like my stream preview, and I don't have a camera set up for this. It detects when I'm talking by listening to my mic, and it blinks at random intervals. So you know, sometimes I'll look over and I'll look that little fucking cat in the eye, and he'll blink at the same time as me, and it's fucked up. Blink, motherfucker! Seen that video? I love that fucking video. Ma! It's that weird fucking cat again! Blink, motherfucker! Alright, we return. Okay, it's still not... Oh, well, we're not expecting it to be there, are we? Okay, workbench activated. Attempt to call a table value. What? Okay, at 142, the same place it was last time. Oh, cool. Why'd it crash? Just instantly. Here we go. Okay, so 142 is 4 index value in E. This is E. Why do I have a feeling MWC has a thing for this? Let's go take a look. Why do I have a Alright. So here's the documentation for MWC. As you can see, I was looking at the metadata. But right now what we want is MWC dot log. You know what? Oh, I didn't mean to close that. Okay. Lua list table contents. Stack Overflow, help me. Okay, so we want to use iPairs. I think that'll probably work best. That is what my issue was. And you know what? This means that I'm gonna have errors later on, so I need to keep that in mind. I'm pretty sure I use a for loop somewhere else. Maybe not in this mod, but in another. So, alright. Oops. If we could get this finished, I can release this mod. And I do plan on releasing the mod to the Nexus so other people can use it. It's not exclusive to Outlander because I don't need to make any custom edits to Ashfall for it. Luckily, Murlord uses like custom events and stuff like that, so I can interop with his mod even if he doesn't have a specific interop function for it. You know what? I do need to double check to see if he has an interop function for adding recipes to the workbench. I think I checked for that already, but you know, double checking never hurts. I guess I could just ask him to, like, hey, I want to add a recipe to the workbench. How do I do that? But you know, part of the fun is figuring it out yourself. A lot of times, coding is like solving a puzzle. And I love puzzles, so. Okay, so we do not expect to see We do not expect to see the iron yet. What we do expect to see workbench activated. Hey, wait. This is showing again. What the fuck? I didn't get an error in here. Why is nothing happening? We could try changing it to pairs instead of I pairs. If this doesn't work, I'm messaging Merlord. Set it to pairs, save. Okay, and we're expecting to see some of those to result in tables. I'll close you. Open you. And this is why I like doing all my writing, because I would have is the mod you're trying to create right now the perk abilities. Kind of this interacts with the perk abilities. This mod covers the first block perk at 25, so the apprentice level block perk, which is unlocking the anvil to use in the wilderness. Because with realistic repair, you need to find a repair station to repair things with your tools. So like, you know, anvils, forges, stuff like that, grindstones. Let's see, load. So this allows you to make your own out in the wilderness. So if you're trapped without a working weapon, you don't need to, you know, cart your ass all the way back to Balmora or wherever. You can just make one. Yes. Event type. Okay, so this is the event. This is just the event. So I need to do something else to add the so all of that just to figure out that we aren't doing it correctly. I mean, that's fine. That's fine. That's information that we are doing things incorrectly. So that's fine. So activate workbench probably isn't where we want to do this. So let's check out Ashfall. Bushcrafting. Let's take a look at the event handler. Actually, let's look at the config. So here is where all we got was the event and the name of the event. So we don't actually get the workbench that we're activating. Okay. Let's do something different. Go in here and let's change the event we're looking at to on activate. Okay. And we'll change all this. We'll change all this to let's look at on activate, make sure we're doing this correctly. Read the fucking manual, guys. Always read the documentation. It will drastically reduce the amount of mistakes you make. Which in my case is not saying much because I make a fuck ton of mistakes. Where the fuck is on activate? Not UI activated. Oh, it's just activate. It's just activate, not on activate. Okay. So we want target. We want the target reference. So let's undo that. We still want this. Except we're gonna make E target. And we're gonna change this to activate. And then this has the target reference. And this, oh, we can see right here. That's not gonna help us, is it? We need to find the name of, hold on. Let's head back to here. Recipes list. This menu.activators. We have the recipes list. And I don't want to make a custom edit to Ashfall because Ashfall gets updated a lot. You know what we could do? Let's look at the documentation for the crafting framework. Okay. Integrate with an existing crafting menu. Okay, so we want this. We want this in our main.lua. But what is the ID of this activator is the question. ID this workbench event. Oh. Wait, no, that's just the menu activator. That's not what we want at all. So let's look at the activators here. Is there a craft here? There's not a craft. Okay. Maybe register recipes. So let's just open up everything. So it's not init. Event handler on activate material on equip chisel. Okay, it's none of these. At least I don't think. Let's double check. Equip chisel. Activate material. Yeah, it's not any of these. So register tanning rack. So for activator config, that's, where is that called? Oh wait, that is Okay, cool. So local menu activator data. Does that include the recipes? No. Okay, none of these triggers are... None of these triggers are doing... Okay, so activate workbench. Okay. Is it literally just like Ashfall workbench? It doesn't look like it. Ah, dude, this is frustrating. I will figure it out. Fills this materials. Categories, no. Workbench nearby. Check workbench is nearby. Workbench. Okay, here we go, here we go. This is interesting. So that's in items. So let's check out items. Workbench. Alright. Let's open up the config. Very nice. Okay, that's cool. Check out the init. Okay. Let's double check the config. Yeah, that's literally it. Is nearby is the only thing we have for workbenches. Let's go back here. Where are the bush? Where are these menus being triggered? Because that event is not giving me what I need. It's giving me a string, which is, you know, not quite what I want. Let's double check the interop. Let's see what's in here. Register activators. Let's just come all the way up here. We have a list. Get hunger. Register activator. Register water. Foods. Heat sources. Teas. Progress survival. Register climates. Get sunlight. Lots of registering. I'm not seeing nothing. Has tea. Yeah, nothing in there. Ugh. We were close with the workbench thing, but that's not working. Okay, let's look back at the crafting framework. Because I'm sure that we can get... So if we come up here, menu activator. Is there a... No, it doesn't look like it. Are there any functions here? No. You know what? Something I haven't checked. What happens if we just open up the regular crafting menu? I want to add it to the menu activator ID. Is it really just Ashfall workbench? If I could spell workbench right. I mean, we could try that. And change recipes to new recipes. Alright, let's head back over here. Let's launch up Morrowind. You know what? I don't register it anywhere, but we'll see if this works. I don't care. Get out of here. Come back to me when you cause problems. Alright. Load it up and see what the dealio is. There's a very small chance that this will simply work. It just works, folks. It didn't work, folks. Okay. There we go. Something's wrong. Okay, we don't care about that. Don't care about any of that. This is where, right? An issue with the crafting framework. That probably has something to do with my tooltip code for... Okay, that implies something is doing something, though. Something is happening. So let's get rid... I have a custom tooltip. Let's get rid of the custom tooltip. Where's it at? Additional UI. So let's just... Oops. Okay, that's not what I want, but... How about this? Boom. Okay, so we commented out that. Oh, I see. How come it isn't reading that? Anvil reference is right here. Why aren't you saying that? Where did this end come from? Hold on. I messed up. This needs to be part of it. There we go. Okay. Cool, cool. Okay. Okay, so we got rid of the UI for now. We'll come back to that, because I think that's what's causing the issue. And I don't see anything else about additional UI, so we're not going to worry about that. And if I really need to, I will get rid of this place callback for the time being, so that we can just see if we can place it. And if we can, that's a good sign. I've only used the crafting framework once for Horror at Hellville Mine. One of a mod I did for the mod jam or modathons. No, it was a mod jam. It was a team mod jam. It was a mod something. It was a modding competition. And I made the MWC code for the business management aspect of that mod. And I used the crafting framework to craft upgrades for the Kwama business, Kwama egg business. But it didn't place or give you any items. It would just change a variable in the code that would, you know, give you more Kwama eggs and shit like that. So this is my first time really fucking around with placing something. Okay, we're still not seeing. Here, let's do this. Filter all. Okay, I was thinking that maybe it got hidden, but it's definitely not here. Okay. Okay, so no errors this time, which, I mean, that's a good sign. Anvil? Nothing. Stone? No. Let's double check inside of this. Stone. Stone hammer, that's it. Okay. Actually, do we have a stone hammer? Doesn't appear that we do. Check our backpack. Nothing in our backpack. I don't like how cluttered my inventory is right now. Let's put all our ingredients away. That's much better. Check Guarnell. Maybe Guarnell has our hammer. Guarnell does not have our hammer. The fuck happened to all my hammers? I had a bunch of them. I didn't sell them all, did I? Am I just blind? No. Do I have something else it could be in? I guess I don't have hammers anymore. I'm not sure how that came to be, but you know, it's fine. It appears I also don't have any stone. So let's get some stone real quick. That's so weird. I could have sworn I had hammers and stone. Come on, give me a rock. Okay, I think that's all I need. Stone. Hammer, 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 hammer. Stone hammer also requires a rope. We can do that. Okay, so let's save. We overwrote our save. So use an anvil or forge to repair items. Okay, so that is expected. That is expected. We still have no. Okay, so we still have no. Oh, here we go. We're getting that tooltip menu issue again. Aha! Okay. Oh, that's funny. Remember how I mentioned this? Can I just register it like flat out? Okay, so constructs a new recipe that can be added to an existing menu activator. Okay. Recipe gets recipe from a recipe ID. Can we get a menu activator? Can we do menu activator get ID? It doesn't look like it. So let's go back here. That's new. This right here we need. I'm gonna message Merlord real quick. Where is Ash? Online? Doesn't look like he's. Oh, he is online. Perfect. Okay. Okay, I have messaged Merlord. Ring a ding ding. What am I looking for, dude? Why am I here? What's going on? Truly, what is going on? Hopefully we get a response there soon. God, I have so many fucking windows open. I have to keep this one open, because that's how you see me talk. Yeah, everything here is kind of required. Unfortunate, but not a big deal. Well, Right now we're just kind of waiting, see if our boy responds. But in the meantime, let's keep looking. Let's keep looking. Let's not sit on our hands waiting for the mighty Murlord to do our work for us. I am convinced that somewhere in here, I must be like misunderstanding something. I think that's probably the crux of it, right? I am most likely why can't, oh, there we go. Okay. So this oh, wait a second. What if we come back here? Okay. Oh, dude, I already have it. Okay, so we could use this to get the menu activators. So what if we do, because this should fire the event, right? So if we do Ashfall bushcrafting menu activators dot workbench dot menu activator. We don't even need that. We could just do this. Okay, we have the menu activator. So, fuck that. And fuck this. Do I have an initialized? Okay, so we'll do an event dot register Ashfall bush crafting initialize, and then function paste menu of activator register recipes new recipes. Maybe it's just okay. We could do table dot insert. No, this isn't gonna work. This isn't gonna work because that's not how that works. Where is this called? Where is this called? It's gotta be in here, right? Activator menu, perhaps? Let's try here. Let's try searching within Ashfall. Let's try searching menu activators. What's this? Aha! There is an interop for it. Get menu activator ID. Here we fucking go. Okay, this is what we need. Okay, so get rid of that. Menu activator dot ID. Okay, that's what we need. And then we're gonna do crafting framework dot get. What was it? Get menu activator. Get menu activator. Boom. Boom. Register recipes. Oh my god, here we go. This might actually work. Crafting, get did I do it correctly? We need the interop, dot interop. Boom. Uh, okay, but now it's not. Wait, hold on. Don't be silly. Okay, that's working again. Crafting framework dot interop. There we go. Okay. Okay, so now let's double check that I am correct about Ashfall's bushcrafting initialized underscore. So let's just grab this. So once it's been initialized, oops, paste. All right. So okay, so we have the new recipes, we have config. So it should be under structures in the workbench menu activator. And let's double check that. That was under the bushcrafting. Oops, what the fuck did I just do? Under here. So lowercase workbench. And that isn't that hold on. Let's remove this real quick. Dot workbench. Is that correct? So this menu so it is a, I don't think it's going to be able to be called. I spelled workbench wrong again. Why isn't this auto completing? Menu activators, table, string, bushcrafting. Okay, so maybe I have to do this. Try this. Why are you yelling at me? Let's try this. Workbench. I think it would have worked the other way, but why is it yelling at me now? Cannot assign. Ashfall bushcrafting menu activator config. Menu activators? Okay, it doesn't like that. Let's try dot workbench. Okay, this has got to get called somewhere else though, right? Let's go see how other... how else you would use it. Activator. It would be here, wouldn't it? Okay, so this is where the new menu activators are made. And let's double check. So we got get menu activator. Workbench ID. How's that? undefined field ID. Why is that? Because it's under menu activator. Menu activator dot ID. There we go. Okay. Okay, so that was quite a lot of data structuring. Don't need this E. Okay, this should just work. It just works, folks. I haven't been looking at chat. Oops, my bad. Oh, nobody's been chatting. We're fine. Alrighty. I am very confident this is going to work. Probably too confident to be real. Come on, baby. I want to release this tonight. I really do. Right. Load our boy here. And let's see if it works. Come on. Gotta have high hopes for a living. Fuck, it's not there. God damn it, dude. Okay, well, let's check the log. Let's see what we fucked up. It's still the tooltip. Okay. It does not like... It does not like the tooltip. Create tooltip menu. Okay, I'm fucking something up. I highly doubt this is a bug. I highly doubt this is a bug with crafting framework. Let's take a look. Do we have anything about... Wait a second. Is Anvil tooltip called anywhere else? Right here. Let's see here. Alright, if this doesn't work, I mean, is the additional UI tooltip bullshit necessary? Like, is it required? Oh, oops, recipe data is... Well, no, because, look, there's nothing here. So, I don't believe that's it. Save. Let's try again. We've disabled the anvil tooltip thing. That could have been causing an issue. All right, fellas. Come on. Ugh, this is the worst part about playing a game made in 2002 is the goddamn loading screens. I need some socks, brother. It's getting cold. Oh, here we go. Got some socks. Times like this, I wish he would know what's up. He would know my mistakes and how to fix them. But alas, we stand on our own 2 feet. Okay. Let's try it again. It's still not here. Okay. What do you have to say about that? Okay, we're not getting that error anymore. So the question is, where's my goddamn electric car, Bruce? My stone anvil. Not in here. Let's double check the regular crafting menu just in case. Be under structures. We'll filter all. A lot of cool stuff in here. Structures. Nothing. Not in here either. Okay. Not good. Not good. So, why is the question? You mind updating here, pal? Why isn't this updating? Okay, so we just have no feedback. Got it. I have no idea why this isn't working. Oh, there just wasn't any MWC updates. That's why it wasn't working. Okay, I'm gonna try sending my snippet of code to Merlord. And you know what? Let's change this to just... No, we need that. We need this. We need bushcrafting to be initialized. Here it is. Registering menu activator. So we registered all the menu activators, and then triggered this, which triggers this, which asks. Let's see. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay, so then here we get the menu activators, which is a table with string and okay, so there's a chance that this needs to be a string. What about that? Do you recognize this? Dot. You recognize this? Okay, so the ID is a string. Let's try... Oh, if there was an error, the error wouldn't have been down at the bottom like we've been used to. It would be way up here. After the event trigger. So let's look for errors up here. Okay, an error with Tome of the Snow Prince. Okay. Anything regarding Ashfall? Okay. Ashfall skills registered, which would be a great time to initialize everything else, which I think... Here we go. Here we go. Okay, so here's the issue. I messed up somewhere in here. So I call it. It tries to register the recipes. And while validating things, thanks Murph, it attempted to index local object a number value. So something is meant to be an object in here that is instead a number value. So let's take a look. Let's take a look at the recipe data here and see what I'm fucking up. So ID is a string, craftable ID is a string, description is a string. Let's just look at what's a number. So materials, material requirement, let's head down to materials real quick. Material requirement, material is a string, and count is a number. That is correct. Okay. Ooh, okay, I missed this, but that's fine. We have that handled by Ashfall's config. Skill requirement. Both numbers and the skill that I have. Sound type, we don't need to worry about. Am I returning something here? You know what? Let's do a cheeky little. Wait a second. Could be that. I doubt it though. Something in here is incorrect. Maybe tool requirements? I'm not using that. It's not a container. Let's see here. Known by default, do I need? Where is known by default? Oh wait, did I see it? Oops, I'm on the, I'm not showing you guys what I'm looking at, my bad. Oh, I know how. I know exactly how, I know exactly how technologically inclined you are, Murph. There's no other thing that says known by default. Recipe. Okay, it's also possible that this isn't working the way we want it to. So let's do this. Let's set workbench ID equal, oops, that's a minus sign, equals this. And then we can replace this with workbench ID. Okay, just like that. Okay, and this should be a string. Okay. So let's try this. Go back here. Registered. Okay. And then this will be workbench ID ... to concatenate. And then E dot menu activator. E dot menu activator. Can we just add a recipe like that? Okay. Cool. So we can just do this then. E dot menu activator. Oops. That's it? This would be a lot simpler. And there's a chance I still fuck something up in the initial thing. So, you know. Try it again. Here we are, once again. Feeling lost and alone again. Dude, the shitty thing about this is that we haven't even gotten to troubleshooting the main part of the mod. Just getting to the point where we can craft the goddamn thing, dude. I have no clue if this is gonna work. As when we craft it, I mean. I don't know if when we finally figure out how to craft it, if it will work as an anvil. Because if it don't, kind of screwed, you know? I can't remember if I stopped that callback from happening, because I think that might be where we're gonna have issues. Okay. Alright. Let's see. Still nothing. Okay. What does MWC have to say about that? Okay. So the event is happening successfully. Let's see what the deal with that is. Dude, a 24-hour stream would literally kill me. Like, actually kill me. I've done a 24-hour stream for charity. When I first started streaming, I did 24-hour stream. I have not done so since. Hello? What happened to code, dude? Oh, there we go. That was strange. Okay, let's see. What does menu activator actually have on it? Workspace loading. Hurry it up. I really wish you would save all of that, but you know. Here we go, here we go. Okay, table menu activator. What's on this table, though? That's what I want to know. What is on this table? Because in the example here, it's just menu activator recipe. And that's it. Oh, wait, hold on. Here's the problem. New recipes only has one thing right now. And in right here, hold on. That could be why. So let's get rid of this. Paste. New recipes. Get rid of that bitch. Okay. So we have that now. That would explain it. That would explain the error that we're getting. So let's see now if it works. Ugh. Okay. I can feel it. We're getting close, boys. And all of this work for one perk. One perk out of, I think I have 64 perks I still need to make. Some are going to be easier than others. This is not one of them. This is not one of the easy ones. Murph, what do you think? What do you think of my little talking guy, huh? What do you think of my talking cat down there? I'm quite proud of it, even though it took me like 20 minutes to make. It's just several edited versions of the same PNG. Alright, here we are. Load. This is it. This is it. I need all of you to channel your positive energy. This is it. We've got it. I like him. He scares me. Good. That's the idea. Alright, let's see here. Craft. All. Where is it? Where is it? Oh my lord. It was decidedly not it. Okay, let's head down. Let's find this air. Coming up on it. Any second now, here we go. Right here. So, attempt to call field menu activator a table value. Yeah, what's wrong with that? What's wrong with that? What's wrong with it being a table? Okay, it crashed. Why did it crash? Yeah, you know what? You know what? You're right. Thank you, Solus. Let's get angry. God fucking damn it. Okay. Ah! This is, wait, why did it stop? Oh, there we go. Ah! Gah! Let's see about figuring out what the fuck is going on, shall we? Let's just let it load, okay? Workspace loading. Let's just let it load. It's gonna take a while, but let's just let it load. That way we know exactly what we're looking at. And while that loads, let's take a look at this menu activator data. What exactly do we have here? So here we have recipe data, right? Recipes. Okay. So recipes is a list of recipe data for recipes that will appear if known when the menu is activated. So we could just try doing like a menu or a table.insert. Hold on. I might need to take a quick break here in a second, which is needed. I need to get some fresh air. Let my dog out to piss. Bring my neighbor some eggs. Okay. So let's take a look at this. What do we have from menu activator? Is it menu activator or menu activators? Did I mess that up? Let's check this last page. E.menu activator. Okay. Now if we move forward. Recipe data. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna try to do. Here's what I'm gonna try to do. Egg to neighbor. Yes, my neighbor needs eggs. Here's what. Here it is. So we're gonna do. Shouldn't this have? Why is this so hard? See, now this one says register recipes. This one's totally different. Let's try it. Let's try it. Let's get rid of this. We don't need that, and we don't need to do it multiple times. We haven't done this since. Okay, so before we test this, I'm gonna take a quick break. I'm gonna run upstairs, give some eggs to my neighbor. I will be right back. Love y'all. And I know it says stream starting soon, but we'll be right back. Blah. Alright. Egg delivered. Eggs. Alright, so we're back. Let's go test out what we just changed. And hope and pray. Warlord has still not replied, but that's okay. We will figure this out. I mean, actually, I already answered my own question. We do have the ID of the workbench now, but now I'm having trouble registering it. I might ask for help, but we'll see. If we get to the end of the stream, which is going to be here in about 40-ish minutes, and I still haven't figured this out, then I will ask for help. But usually I prefer figuring things out on my own. Yes, I do have good relations with my neighbors. I live in a triplex, so I'm friendly with both of them, and one of them is my girlfriend's aunt, so you know. Ugh. All right, let's see. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. It's still not fucking here, dude. Why is it not working? Why? Why? Why does it not work? I'm still angry. Still angry ring. Oh, you know what? We should check this. What's going on here? Huh? What's going on here? It doesn't look like we're getting an error anymore. Aha, here we go. This is a problem. Okay, no, this is the same error as before. What the fuck? What is going on, dude? One second. Okay, so we are still searching for the answer. The answer remains a mystery. It remains a big fat mystery. I'm petting a dog right now, just brainstorming. Trying to figure out what the problem is. You know what? Let's... Sorka, get out of here. Sorka, come on. Sorka, come on. Sorka. Sorka. Come on. Come on, Sorka. Oh my god, there's dogs barking at me. Ah. She's not here, Sorka. He's looking for my girlfriend. Come on, Sorka. Sorka, come on. Okay, I mean, you could chill down here if you want to. I don't really mind. Let's figure this out. What is going on? You want to go back out? I'm trying to rack my brain as to what the issue could be, but let's try adding like a really simple recipe. Yeah? Let's get rid of this. Okay. Let's why? Oh, because that's also, no, we need a second one. Successful egg delivery, yes. Okay, so that right here. Boom. And I guess if we're editing this out, we don't need that. Okay. So now, you could ignore that. Huh? Okay. So, now it's just... And you know what? Let's get rid of the custom requirements for now. Let's just comment them out. No custom requirements. Okay. In fact, let's grab this. Stick it right here. Boom. Okay. So now we have tool requirements, we have skill requirements. Let's double check here. We're using already existing materials. So we don't need that. Okay. Alright, sorry about that. We are dealing with some dog stuff, but I have handled it. Oh, it's fucking freezing outside, snowing and shit. The anger face really adds to it, I think. Okay, so no custom requirements. We add the tool requirements. we have the materials as a requirement. I don't... Okay, so we're in structures where we should be. Right, and that's just a string. Do I have to put dot string? No, that's just a string that equals structures. You know what, just in case though, let's just make this structures. Okay. And then, we haven't even gotten to testing this yet. Okay, so it's just a basic ass. And you know what? You know what? New recipes. New recipe equals. And you know what? Local anvil recipe equals. Okay, so we have the anvil recipe. Let's just register anvil recipe. Let's do that. Okay. So we've made it very simple now. Maybe something to do with in here. Maybe something to do with in here. Either way, we outie. Okay. So we saved. Let's get out of here. Let's open MO2 back up. I just opened fucking code on accident. Sometimes I have the big dumb. Murlord still has not had a chance to join, but that's okay. Okay. Gotta work this time, man. I'm at the end of my rope. And I don't have much longer to keep streaming. I gotta get off here in about 15 minutes. Alright. Man, the CRT shader really does look quite good. I am a big fan of it. It's still not here, dude. What is going on? Yes. Okay. No error this time. At least not immediately. That's a good sign. That means something in custom requirements is messing me up. Okay, here we go. Create tooltip menu. That's still causing me issues. So what's going on? Double check that we don't see it here. It should be under here in structures, but it's not. Wait, does my armor need to be 25 first? Is that why? Let's do something real quick. Let's, is it, oh, oops. That's not good. So, test 3, mobile player dot armor equals 25. Okay, it doesn't like that. Test 3. Oh, tab's gonna take me out. Test 3. Test 3 dot player. Test 3 dot player mobile. Okay. Test 3 player dot mobile armor. Dot value? Nothing. Dot level maybe. Okay, armor. Yeah, let's reference this. APIs. Test 3. Oh, here we go. Mobile player is what we want. Test 3. Mobile player dot armor dot. Okay, I keep forgetting that doesn't work. Level. Value. No. Okay. Get statistics skill base. Base is what we're looking for. Base 20. Okay. Let's set that equal to 25. Perfect. Okay. It's still not here. Alright, let's check this out. Something is very wrong. Let's come back here. Let's go to recipe data. Let's keep in mind that the item that we are trying to create is a static and not an activator. So materials is required, knowledge requirement. Okay, none of these are required. Okay, let's try place at me CR stone anvil. 1 0 0. That spawn out underneath? That didn't spawn shit. That did not spawn anything. Is that why it's having issues? Does that cause any... No, that doesn't cause any problems. Okay. Here, let's see. MW script place static. Okay. How about MWC place static? Yeah, I don't think that's gonna help me. Just try MW script. Let's take a look. Is this Morrowind? No, this is not Morrowind. Is there documentation anywhere? We got the scripting basics, but oh, here we go. Here we go. Hold on. Get static maybe? Get... No static. Place at PC. Oh, let's see, place item. Okay, let's try place item. Or place at PC. So place at PC TR stone anvil 1. Let's try 1. 1. Ah! It's here! Oh my god. Okay. It doesn't appear to work. And I can walk right through it. Okay. I can hit it though. That's interesting. Okay. Well, I think I'm probably going to have to, Did this get, did the other ones get like placed under the map or something? Like maybe below sea level? God damn, I can't see a fucking thing. Or maybe up in the air. I don't know. Either way, it did not place it. But we did get it placed. But we can't use it for some reason. Let's see, anything in MWC? No? Alright. Well, that's gonna have to be it for tonight. I will talk. I will ask for help in the Morrowind Discord, see if I can figure anything else out. Hopefully next time I stream, we'll be working on something else. Thanks for tuning in. It's about time I go. But it was a great first stream back. I'm very excited. Thank you guys. Oh, here, wait, hold on. I'm not angry anymore. I'm happy now. Hell yeah. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.